You see, this one. You see,
No, that's
She just said,
Emirates.
uh-oh.
see,
She just said, uh-oh.
You just said, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Bah.
bah.
Where you go? Where you
Where you
going?
think going?
Did you see it?
Yeah. Bah.
Okay.
Don't say bah. Bah. Bah.
Bah, 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 bah. Bah, 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 bah.
Bah. Earrings from Dusseldorf should be on the.
Dusseldorf.
So what? Dusseldorf, Dusseldorf, Dumbledore, whatever.
Dumbledore's on the
Dusseldorf.
runway. Eddie, hello for the
Anyway, earrings to Dusseldorf
Dumbledore.
should be taken off any moment.
Dumbledore's on the runway. Dumbledore's on the
Yeah.
runway. Boo boo. Bye
Air
bye.
India to Amritsar should see from there coming out slowly.
Hi.
Yeah, you got anything for the viewers?
Nanny,
Well,
Mama,
you can't.
what are you doing up
You
there?
can't be on the camera. You too. No. This is for my YouTube channel. So no. There it is. There it is.
There, oh,
There
yeah,
it is. There.
there's India.
There it is. Air India.
There it is. It's on the move. There it is. There's Air India.
I mean, Fish wants to see it. Air India. You want to see Air India? Yeah.
And Duff is still on the road. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. But there's Air India right there.
Duff is just took off. And there it is, just there. There it is.
Going to Dusseldorf. You're into Dusseldorf. And there's a. Where's it gone? Oh, it's gone. Well, we'll see anyways when it goes on the runway.
Huh? What is it?
It's behind there. It's just gone. But I think little Amanda wants to see it. That's why she's asking if you can turn it around.
Oh, there it is. Oh, no.
No, you can see a bit
Oh,
on
yeah,
top.
I can see it there.
Top it right
Yeah.
there.
The top is there where the wings are.
This is Air India going to Amritsar.
Over there, here.
There's earrings going to Dusseldorf.
Oh, there it is.
Right there.
See.
Nothing's coming in at the moment.
India is
Heading towards the runway.
it's on the runway.
No, heading.
Heading to the runway.
Heading to the runway. Emirates, the Boeing 777 to Dubai has been delayed for an hour. It's meant to take off at 9:40
Oh, there it is.
and it's been delayed for an hour till 10:40.
Oh, yeah. We'll put up
Some
on
reason why.
Air India is heading to the runway now. Sorry. Ryan is standing there, having a cup of tea and biscuit, playing around.
No, that's Mother Tui. That's for Mother Tui, not for Ryanair. Ryanair is always out every few minutes.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
So it's better
not
with Mother
Ryanair.
Tui.
Emirates is over there to have a cup of tea and biscuits and playing around. So I'm delayed, so leave me alone. I'm going to sleep. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.
Ba.
Bye. Okay.
You got anything for the viewers? Yeah?
Say bye bye.
You can't go on camera. You're not allowed to go on camera yet.
Bye bye bye
Yeah.
bye bye.
This is for my YouTube channel. No.
Madam, you got every on your face, on your hair. What
You
are
gotta
doing?
ask your mummy first. If your mummy says yeah, then if mummy says no, no.
Okay. You can sit up. There you go.
No, you got everything on your hair, on your face. What you been doing?
She's having a rave. What do you think? She said, leave me alone. Casey, I want to watch Air India go.
Chal, beटे chal, आजा, आ रे.
But then let's cover you.
Yeah, but they got, yeah, it's getting cold now.
Ale.
Air India should be on the runway by now.
Yeah.
Come on.
She hasn't got to sleep.
Yeah, after when this takes off.
I sure you can push that back a bit. She can lie down.
What?
Yeah, the thing.
No, it's
No.
like this already, Mama. I told you 5 times.
Mama,
It's the other plan that
it's
you
the
can
other
push
push
round.
chair.
This is different.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's a different,
Air
it's a different
India.
camera.
Oh,
Yeah, I said
you
it
got
5 times.
Aer Lingus.
no.
No, Scottish Air.
Scottish Air.
Going to Aberdeen. Going to Aberdeen.
We still waiting for India. Air India.
Yeah, where is it gone?
It should be on the runway by now. They were saying towards the runway. It should be on the runway by now. I don't know. Where's your phone?
Yeah.
Can I have a look?
It will be turning.
No. Oh, there's Ryanair. It's getting pushed back. Ryanair's getting pushed back. Air India should be on the move right about now.
Yeah, it's on the runway. It's just
Oh,
turning.
okay. What the heck is that?
That's a fire engine.
I didn't know this was a fire engine like that before.
That's a fire engine. It's an airport. It's an airport fire engine. They do
Right,
like a
there's,
training and test to see if everything's
Scottish
working.
plane. How do you do a runway? But Air India should be here.
It's on the runway.
It's on the runway. That's all I know. It is on the runway.
I can hear it. I can hear it.
Guys, right. Here
Yeah.
it comes. Here's Air India.
Yeah, I can see it from here. It's on the runway. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
Okay.
It's going. It's going.
Okay.
It's on the move.
Right, you guys will probably see Air India. Right. It's on the move, but you probably see it now.
Yeah, you should see it coming from in that corner.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And right about now.
Come on, Air India.
Right about now. I did see it. Now. 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 Right about now.
I can hear you. So,
No, just Ryanair starting up.
okay.
Ryanair's been pushed back over there. Air India.
Oh, okay. I can hear the engine.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can see. Okay.
yeah, that's Air India.
We've got Air India. It's on the move.
There it is. There it is.
There's Air India. So, bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. There's Air India. Bye. Going back to Amritsar.
Yep, going to Amritsar.
It's going to turn
Hold on, Missy.
right. It's going to turn right or left or straight down.
No, it's going to turn right.
Yep, it's going to turn right. There he goes.
Well, everybody,
Bye bye.
well, everybody, that is for today. We will see you next Sunday, same time or a bit early.
Right.
Until then,
Bye.
bye bye. Have a good night. Have a good sleep. Have a good rest. And see you next week.